When I think of San Diego, I think of the homogenous culture that we have here. There's not one solid group of people here, but together we all do make one solid culture. In this drink, you'll notice that there are a lot of spices and flavors that may not necessarily go together, but together as one they do make an awesome flavor profile as well as a mouthfeel. There's spices from India, Mexico, Egypt. Got some lemons here that come from down in South America. San Diego has always been an open place for people to come live their dream, and you get amazing little tidbits of other people's lives and other people's upbringings through food, spice, drinks, and just togetherness as a whole. Okay, got some garlic, some Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper, some mustard powder, ancho, some walnut oil, some honey. So when we introduce fire to the flavors, you end up getting a little bit more of a roasted profile. Not something too traditional for a cocktail, but we're not a traditional culture here in San Diego, so I feel like that totally goes hand in hand. A few years ago, I teamed up with a group of people. We would basically go out to markets around San Diego that we're going to be throwing out their day-old groceries. Saturday morning we would have a fat barbecue and breakfast gathering in Balboa Park for all the homeless people out there. And some of the stories we heard were crazy, but they were stories that we had never heard before. That's one cool thing I like about San Diego, is that it doesn't matter who you talk to, there's always going to be something that can be contributed to your life through someone else's experiences. And everyone was happy. There was music, there was storytelling, there was bonding, and it was just a beautiful thing. And that was within my first year of moving here, so it was a good little insight as to what I was getting myself into moving here to San Diego. Haven't looked back. My name is Adrian Castillo. I'm a bartender here at Henebery Spirits in Vista, California. Look forward to pouring a drink for you.